Hello everyone friends, on the channel, today I will show you how to download OSU. To do this, just go to any browser and write OSU here, just OSU. Wow, how bright. After that, click on the download button and accordingly, click download here. We are downloading. We are waiting. Open this file that we were downloading. So since I have it installed, I just press the repair button. Here you will click the install button. Here comes the installation process. Immediately after the completion of the process, the game opens itself and you can play. That's all. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.